Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to resize videos for TikTok in CapCut. So let's get into it. First of all, let's navigate to CapCut on your phone and tap on the icon to open it. Once the app opens up on the screen, we need to create a new project to resize videos for TikTok. So in the Editing tab, tap on New Project. Select a file from your media library, and from the bottom of the screen, tap on Add. The video is successfully added onto the track, and you can make changes or adjust the video length if needed. Now, to make the video vertical for TikTok, from the bottom menu bar, swipe to the left to find the aspect ratio and tap to open it. Here, you can find different ratios, and the second one is for TikTok, as indicated by the TikTok icon. So, select this one and tap on the check mark from the bottom right side. In the next step, we need to resize the video in the frame. Select the video on the track, adjust the video size in the Preview tab, and also set its position correctly. After making all these changes, let's have a preview. And there you go. Now from the top right side, tap on the small arrow icon. From this menu, set the video resolution according to your needs, change the frame rate or codec rate if needed, and then tap on the arrow icon to export the video. And that's it. This is how you can resize a video in CapCut. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.